Hello to you for the very first time. Never Too Small began with a simple idea to showcase some of the best small footprint design around the world. As the channel grew, we spoke to architects and designers and met urban planners. These conversations started to join some dots and inspire the idea of Small Footprint, a documentary series about the role small footprint thinking and design can play in the future health and happiness of our cities.
We've been talking about making this series for almost a year, and then just as lockdown began in Australia, we were able to apply for funding from Screen Australia and YouTube through their Skip Ahead program, specifically to make something for you that is a bit different, and we got it. This is different from our regular episodes, but it's still Never Too Small, and we think it shows how important the ideas in Never Too Small are to everyone.
We've spent the past year speaking with and learning from extraordinary people, experts in their fields. There are some familiar faces like Nick Gurney and Brad Schwartz, and some new ones from Melbourne, Amsterdam and Vancouver. Plus, you'll be seeing a lot more of our Colin.
Since this is something new, we wanted to take a moment to speak to you and share the trailer for the series. Stick around for one last thing at the end of the video.
Every time we say we need to expand the city, we come to the fringe. If you wanted to make this a better metropolitan area, you'd stop expanding and you'd come back in on yourself.
There are roughly 650 suburbs in Sydney. The moment we build the 651st, the 650th becomes more expensive.
For every 1 million people living back within Melbourne, you would save $110 billion. So why aren't we doing it?
By 2050, 7 in 10 of us will be living in cities. My name is Colin Chi, and I'm the creator of Never Too Small. Could it be that good design can make our cities the happiest places on earth? And to realize that, do we need to think small?
We are experiencing the problems of a big city. Now we are looking for more creative solutions.
It's much more than only architecture. It's about making a neighborhood for a lot of different people.
We're seeing massive climate and biodiversity emergency, so the planning and design of our cities is critical to actually maintaining nature.
We need to celebrate culture, celebrate diversity and celebrate inclusivity.
For me, the perfect city is the right balance in between connecting with humans, with nature.
The perfect city for me looks like an inclusive city.
If we designed cities with the people involved and understood what they wanted, I think you'll find much happier cities.
We are really excited to see what you all think. Please leave us feedback and comments about the trailer and the episodes themselves as well.
The first one will be out on the 4th of October, and we'll be releasing them every week on Monday afternoon, Australian Eastern Standard Time from then.
Remember to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications when they come out.
And thank you for all your support for Never Too Small. We are forever grateful.